Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to talk about a super simple and super useful script called EaseCopy. So what you can do with this script, you can easily copy your ease from one keyframe to another easily. You can also copy your keyframe values from one keyframe to another. And the best part is this script is totally free. To download this script, you just search EaseCopy in Google, then click on the first link. Just create a ascript.com account if you do not have any. Then in the name your own price box, just input 0 and add to cart and download it. After download the file and extract it, you will find a .jsx file. Just copy the file and go to your applications folder, go to your After Effects folder, then scripts UI panels and paste it here. Then open or restart After Effects, click Window and EaseCopy. You will find a simple window like this. Now to show you how it works, just create a new composition 1920 1080 and 10 seconds is enough for me. Then click OK. I will create a simple rectangle. Now duplicate this layer by pressing Command D or Control D. Now place this layer below this layer. Now select both of this layer and from your keyboard press P. You will see the position property. Just keyframe both of these. Now go to 15 frames. Now animate it like this. It's a simple animation just to show you how EaseCopy works. Now I will select both of this keyframe, right click, go to keyframe assistant and easy ease. You can see the difference between those animation. So I'm going to select this keyframe and go to graph editor and make it more interesting. It looks more interesting, more dynamic. Now I want to copy this graph to this keyframe. How can I do it? There are no easy way to do this, but EaseCopy make it so easy. Just select those keyframe, click copy, select the keyframe that you want to paste on and click ease. Now click on graph editor. You can see the same graph is here. So if I play the animation, so you can see how easily I can copy the easing from one keyframe to another. You can also copy the value, like if I grab this keyframe and change the distance and select both keyframe and just click copy, select those keyframe and just paste the value, not ease. You can see from shape layer 1, I have copied the position values and paste it to shape layer 2. So it's really easy to copy ease from one layer to another. There is another option called pass through. If you go to a script in here, you can see without preserve pass through enabled, EaseCopy prioritize this curve, or preserve pass through prioritize maintaining ease in ease out relationship on keys with ease on both sides. So if there is 3 or more keyframe, you can use this pass through option. So I hope this video helps you. See you on next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.